Right guys, welcome back to the channel. On this episode, I'm burning Little Ted's big epic adventures. We're going to go and find a bass on the west coast of Guernsey. We haven't been for a while, but we're going to give it a go. We'll meet you down the beach, guys.
Yeah, let's go.
Right guys, we're at the spot now. So we're going to give it a nice big cast and see if there's a bass. It's a bit of a dull day today, but you never know. There might be the odd shiner kicking around. Bit of a square down here today, guys. Hopefully it's going to get the bass in. If it doesn't, we're wasting our time here, aren't we? But what else would you be doing on a nice day like this? Down there, so bring it up really quick because you're going to get hitched. Whoa, that was nearly a wet foot. Remember mate, you gotta, that's there, look, it's gotta come off of there. Put your finger up the top here. From there, look. It's perfect. Got it? Got it like a pro? Now, remember, turn your bail on, hold it in your finger, put the rod back, and then when you get in the air, you let go. So like, let go. Yeah, you gone over there. Well done, that's a lovely cast, mate, but you're out of the reef. You've got to learn to aim a bit better, but that was a good cast. 10 out of 10. You never know, there could be a bass there, though. Imagine that, one cast, one bass. Perfect. And keep giving it a little shake around. They might come out. Same as Dad's in the reef. Well, look mate, we done. Nothing? Oh yeah, you're well in that reef. We ain't getting this one right, mate. She nearly come. Oh, she's gone. We lost our gear, man. I'm next.
Yeah, it feels really light.
So you lost your gear?
I don't know.
I lost my gear. Yeah? Right. Another lure ready to lose. Losing a few today. That's what happens when you come with Little Ted. No, another reef.
I caught one on that.
God damn it. It's only 2 o'clock, not even no water yet, it's fine. What's up, dog?
Look behind you.
Yep. Right, what are we going to do? Set up again? And go back over where we were at the start after? Hold there, mate. I think we need surface lures, really. Watch that wave, look. Stay there. Remember, safety first, Ted. You can see how much that tide has gone out since we've been here already.
Yeah.
Right guys, next spot. Give it a go here with a surface lure. But the way things are going, I've lost about 6 lures today, so it's not very good. See it on the surface anywhere? Yeah, it's coming in. Look, always watch behind it, mate. And if you see a swirl, it could be a bass. So that's it. You're doing perfect. Want to go again on the surface lure?
Sure.
Right, come on then. So watch where it lands and you watch behind it, yeah? I'm gonna put my shades on and we're gonna go for it, man. We're gonna go. This is it now. This is bass season, Ted. Let's go, baby! Behind that reef over there, look. Go. Go, 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 baby! Watch this wave. See this reef here, look, just watch you don't go into that, so keep it that way and then just keep winding in, man.
Soon enough I'll be a master at casting. Soon enough.
It's a crab in there.
What?
It's a crab in that one. We'll have a little forage in a minute. Just grab our bag.
Oh shit, I forgot to bring the bag. Sorry.
No, I knew it was staying near me.
Oh.
That's spot on, Ted, honestly, man. That's a great cast. Hold on. Maybe for that bit of reef there, look.
Yeah. It's gonna be crazy fun, but off we go.
It's worth a shot, Ted. Let's go. How was that, Dad? want to go to the surface, Law? Hey, do you want to go to the surface, Law?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Here you go. Here's what?
You're quite far out, so nice. Put your rod down. That's it.
Now, why did you cast it?
West.
What was that? This way?
Yeah.
This way?
That was somewhere. See, I haven't seen any swirls. He's coming over there, I think. Yeah, it's coming over there, look. Yeah, a bit of a shame, really. There's no bass here.
This is a nice area. Oops. Yeah, I'm on a roll.
You're on a rock. What, you're the lure?
They're stuck in a roll.
Just got to be careful of those, you get it? See? Baby Ormer. You normally get a few in this little bit. There's another one there, look. See him? He's actually attached to the bottom rock, look.
Yeah. He's hiding.
Oh, look at that.
2. Wow.
2 baby Ormers. And a little sea hare, look.
What's this here? Dad,
Yes, mate.
if we do catch it back, are we going to figure out how to fill it in?
We could do, mate, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this, look. That's quite interesting, guys.
Wow.
There's there's been a lady crab here, look. And he's recently molted his shell. And there's his old shell. So I'm guessing if I turn this rock, there'll be a soft lady crab under here. But he's not to be. Maybe the bass had him. Oh,
Shell.
all my shells.
Dad,
Yes, mate.
I'm going to have a cast here.
Go on then. We're just having a mooch now, mate. We're finished pretty much doing what we're doing. Baby shanker. And look at the size of that Ormer. Hey Ted, check that Ormer out, dude. Ted, look at the size of that Ormer. Ah. No, it's not an Ormer tidy, so we can't take him today. But it's great to come down and have a mooch, yeah? Same as this rock here, guys, look. There's 1 baby Ormer, 2 baby Ormers, 3 baby Ormers. There's so many around this shit, it's unbelievable. Look, next rock, look. There's another 2 on that rock, look. That's close to being on a keeper. The baby Ormer. Pharaoh crab. Ted's up there, fishing away, bless him. Nice cast, Ted. Let's hope you get a bass for your efforts, eh, buddy? Right over there, mate. That's a cracking cast, Ted. Would be nice. You got something, you got a load of weed. Better than nothing, eh? Aye, aye. You don't want to go home yet? I don't mind.
You're tired.
I'm not tired, mate. I'm out and about. When I'm out in the open air like this, I love it. It's fine.
You're stuck in the house, isn't it?
Check that out for a baby Ormer, guys. They don't come much bigger, smaller than that, do they?
You just hate it when you stay in the house, don't you?
Oh, Emmy, man. Dinky dinky.
You hate it when you stay in the house, don't you?
Yeah, man, I like it outdoors.
Yeah. But I didn't really enjoy this bit.
In this bit?
Yeah.
Nah, I mean, later on there would be. When the tide comes up, the bass would be all in here, looking, mooching for crabs.
Oh. Let's go when the tide comes up.
I want to take you bass fishing in the night time, mate. You'd love that.
Yeah. But then we couldn't do what we cast.
Yeah, that's why you got to know where you are casting, eh? Another baby Ormer. 2 baby Ormers in that one, mate.
But that might come in here. It's quite deep.
Honestly, mate, they'd come in here all the time. Do you reckon that knife's been in the water a while, Ted?
What?
Do you reckon that knife's been in the water a while?
Yeah.
Huh. Baby Ormers everywhere, look. And you see hairs. Baby shanker. Little prawn. That's a shame, look, there's a baby one there dead, Ted, look. See that little baby one has died, look. Look how pretty that little shad is. It's a shame, eh? Because I haven't got my waders on. But there's normally a big Ormer underneath it. Right, looks like someone's already done it this year. Oh, that's nearly more wet for.
Dad, don't try to lift one like you're leaning on.
No, I ain't lifting up, mate.
Now, let's go cast. For the last couple of times over there.
Where do you want to go?
Maybe there.
Your spot. You take me to your spot. And where you go, we'll fish. that a deal?
Yeah.
Pass me the rod, mate.
I think I know where it starts.
Yeah. Hello?
That's a good lure too.
Ah, don't worry about lures, mate. It's all about having fun, eh?
Yeah.
If it costs you £10 on some lures to have fun for 2 hours, well, it's not a bad outcome, eh?
Yeah.
You want to cast that one or do you want me to do it for you?
I know.
Don't lose that one. These are about 30 quid each.
Yeah, I know I can have a nice cast with that one too. Thank you. Now we've got a lot of money. I'm gonna play.
Wow, that might be good. You know, we might have to just cast from here. We're right onto that reef out there to look. See that reef? Don't need it, mate, because we've got no gear on there, eh?
Yeah, but now he's kind of that's
We're going now, unfortunately. Emma, not too fast, mate. Eh? And you put your rod down with that one. Just need that swirl behind it and take it, and it'll be like, yes, we got a bass. Go on then, have one more. And then I'll have one more. Nah, mate, that's like as far as I got before.
Good cast.
Yeah, mate, you're getting better. You've actually learned a lot today.
You know, that was a nice cast. Especially with that one because it's heavier.
Look at you just sitting there chilling out, yeah? Sunglasses on, boots on, ready for this big bass.
See? We got even cast. Mine was about a metre away from that rock. Mine was a metre away from that big rock.
I know, good, eh? But you'd have thought there'd be a bass around that rock, see?
What?
You'd have thought there'd been a bass around that rock, but it's just not going to happen today.
Yeah. Yay!
Yeah, if you had some proper bait, I'd take you fishing at night for a bass. But plenty of time this year, mate.
Yeah, because the year just started and I've got some brilliant casts. Oh, there you are, Brett.
Yep. That's it, man.
There you are. Wow. That's a fun trip.
Might as well chop one out quick as we're walking.
First bass, chop up in here. And what we're going to finish
Right, one thing before we go.
Yeah.
In this puddle here, there's an Ormer. Find it for me. Right there, look.
Where?
Can you see him?
Found him.
He's poking out. He's not yet under the rock, look. Let's have a look at him. Is he a big one?
Yeah.
No, just tiny, just on the side of the... Got him off?
No. Got him with my bare hands. Little Ted, tiny Ormer.
You don't know. Oh, I love that, man.
Little Ted with a tiny Ormer.
See, when you're walking up the beach, it's always worth looking for stuff.
Yeah. Ooh. Dead. Yeah. Oh, Ormer and a tunnel with little crab. What are these little crabs called? Oh,
Pharaoh crabs, there's one there. One there.
what about those small ones? What about the small ones?
Broad-clawed.
Ah, more.
Broad-clawed porcelain crab, mate. Look, someone's actually been down here, Ted, look. And they found one of these oysters, but they've actually taken it off and eaten it. Feel how smooth that is, man.
Oh, so smooth. I want it. Somehow I can't get it off. Sadly. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I hit my hand. Oh.
What crab you got? What crab did you get, bud?
One of those weird
Let's see him.
Where?
Is he as big as this one?
No. Those ones are feisty.
Lady crab, look. Come on, man, we gotta go.
And Bramble likes to eat lady crabs.
So we gotta go to the butcher's.
Bramble will eat any crab. Sadly, this is the end of our trip.
No bass this time, unfortunately, guys, but hey, 2 hours spent down the beach with your little boy. I mean, that's quality time, mate, together.
Yeah, and it's really fun.
Can't beat it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you again.
Please like, share and subscribe if you like this video. Peace.